Having neck pain and headaches can be quite debilitating, mentally and physically. Today we're going to go through the neck as well as the shoulders to help alleviate the neck pain. With your pre-assessment, I want you to grab a towel and place it around your neck, and then you're just going to move it from side to side, pulling the towel across your chin as you take it to the side. And then just feel the tension in the neck here. Second assessment, pulling the towel forward and lifting the chin up towards the sky. And back down. Keeping the jaw closed as you do this. And now we're going to start the class. So, come into all fours. Place the hands directly underneath the shoulders and the knees directly underneath the hips. And we're going to go into a form of cat-cow, but for the neck. So we're going to push away, but not rounding into our mid-back. You're just pushing your hands into the floor to just get a little bit of a round into the upper back, around your neck and your shoulder blades. And then you're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together again. Push away and squeeze. Push away and squeeze. Remember not to go into the mid-back, it's all for the neck. Even just tucking in the chin slightly here will help alleviate the pain already. 2 more. And then last one. Holding it here, keeping the core engaged, and then just taking the right hand to the left shoulder. Keep pushing the hand into the floor and keeping that little bit of a round in the upper back, not in the mid back. Place the right hand down and take the left hand. Feel the tension, push the hand into the floor to get a deeper stretch into the upper neck. And switch. Switch. 2 more, switch. Last one. And then come down. Take the left hand onto the floor firmly and then slide the right hand all the way through, trying to get the right shoulder down towards the mat and stretching through the shoulder blade there. Come back up and switch. Trying to get the left shoulder down onto the floor, stretching or reaching the left hand away from you. Slide the right hand through, open up through the chest, even push your right hand into the floor to push the chest higher into the sky and feel a deeper stretch around the shoulder blade. And switch. Reach the hand away from you, push the back of the hand into the floor, and then switch. And switch. Keep pushing the hand away from you, opening the chest up. Last one. Keep opening the chest up towards the sky. And then come back into your all fours. Now in this position we're going to concentrate on the neck dissociation. So tuck the chin in to the chest, really round into the neck, like a cat-cow for the neck. And then you're going to push the chin forward and reach it up towards the sky, keeping the chin and the jaw closed. And then tucking the chin all the way into your throat and stretching through the back of the neck. And then push the chin forward Reach the chin all the way forward. Keep the jaw closed. And then tuck in again. Tuck the chin all the way into the throat. And push the chin forward. Jaw closed. Keep that resistance. And tuck the chin in. And push it forward. Last one, tuck the chin in. And then push the chin forward again. And then come back into your cat-cow. So just squeeze shoulder blades together and round. Remember, we're not rounding into the mid-back, we're rounding into the upper back. And squeeze shoulder blades. 3 more. 2 and 1. Slide the right hand through, open up through the chest here, and switch. Pushing the hand or the back of the hand into the floor as we do this to open up even further. Two more. And then come back to center. Come onto your knees and then grab the towel again. Taking the towel around the neck, we're going to pull the hands forward and then reach the chin to the sky. And then do semicircles here, all the way through extension to come into the front of the neck or your sternocleidomastoid muscle here. Keep moving from side to side and just closing the jaw to get a deeper stretch. Two more. Last one. And now go from side to side. This time you're going to pull the towel all the way forward and a little bit across or away from where the neck is. And then switch. Side to side motions, pulling the towel away from you. If your hands get tired, just relax down and then continue. Keep going from side to side. This is now getting into your scalenes here. So it's a different type of stretching. It's an activating stretch. It's just not a long hold of the muscle, because that can be quite painful in the neck. Two more. Last one. And then just take the towel down and come into some shoulder shrugs. So bringing the shoulders all the way up into the ears as much as you can, and then squeezing the chest forward. All the way up, doing big circles with the shoulders. 3 more. 2 and 1. Squeeze the shoulders up into the head and then squeeze the shoulders all the way back down. Now we're going to take the arms up overhead, reaching and stretching up. Just looking up towards the sky and then taking the hands all the way back behind you, squeezing the shoulder blades together, but not taking the hands up. We're just keeping it low at your bum, but pushing the chest forward as you do this. And then reach the hands up, reach the shoulders up into the ears, get the shoulder joint to touch your ears or even block your ears in this position. And then take the hands behind the back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, keep the hands low, push the chest high. 3 more like this, reaching up, pushing the shoulder joint up into the ears, And then taking the hands behind the back, squeezing the shoulder blades together. And last one, reach up. And then take the hands behind the back, squeeze shoulder blades. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze here. And then slowly let go. Just small shrugs here, just to allow for some gentle movements. And then come into a seated position. Taking the legs quite far apart, and this might be difficult if you don't have good mobility. Take the hand behind the back and try and take the elbow onto the inside of the knee here, and you'll start to feel a stretch all the way through the back of the shoulder here. If you can try and take both hands at the same time, but you need really good mobility for this. So just if you can't, just do one at a time, just opening up the chest and pushing your chest forward, and then switch. Pushing your chest forward so that your body is straight and the elbow is on the knee and the hand is all the way on your side body facing backwards. And switch. Feel the side to side differences as you do this. It will stretch all the way in your upper trap and into the neck if it's very tight. And switch. Pushing the chest forward. And switch. And if you can, try with both sides again, pulling the knees into the elbows to get stretching deeper into the rhomboids there. Just activating, so pushing your elbows into your knees and the knees into the elbows to get more of an activation rather than a stretch. Three more. 2 and 1. Hold it in this deep position. And then slowly let go. And we're going to come into our post-assessment. So taking the towel around the neck and then moving from side to side and noticing the difference from side to side, from the beginning and now at the end, of just doing a few movements for the shoulder blades and a few dissociative movements for the cervical spine. Can open up the neck without overstretching it with those prolonged deep stretches. Rather activate and then feel the difference after that. Pull the hands forward and reach the chin to the sky. And then feel the difference after that.